Hello. Today I will show you how to draw the terminal marker. Currently, this marker doesn't appear in Find the Markers, but it might be included soon. As you can see, I've outlined it with a mechanical pencil. I hope you're drawing along with me. I continue to draw details. Hands, legs, mouth, and the eye. Now I will color with various shades of green. The top part has some rectangles that are darker in color. I hope you've noticed the details. The bottom part is a very dark shade of green. I will color carefully to avoid blending the colors. I'm adding white Posca marker to highlight the mouth. And I'll add some shadows for a more interesting effect. At the end, I outline with black. I hope you've subscribed to my channel and liked this video. I hope you're ready to see the result.